To get started, click on Register. Enter your email address. Then click Send Code. Check your email inbox for the verification code. Return to the portal, enter the code, and click Continue. Now set up your profile by entering your first name, last name, and creating a secure password. Make sure the password meets the criteria listed below. Confirm your password, then review and accept the terms and conditions. You'll be given the option to enable two-factor authentication. Enter your mobile number to enable it now, or choose to set it up later by selecting Skip this step. Click Sign in now to continue. Next, select your type of access. If you're a municipal employee, select your municipality or township. If you're an authorized agent designated by the agency, select the municipality or township and upload a PDF letter of authorization. If you're a ComEd employee, simply select that option to proceed. In this video, we are registering as a municipal employee. Once logged in, complete your Municipal Utility Tax Portal profile. Enter your first name, last name, job title, and primary phone number. You may also provide an alternate phone number and fax number, though these are optional. When finished, click Submit. Your registration is now complete. A ComEd administrator will review your profile within 2 to 3 business days. You'll receive an email notification once your access has been approved or if additional information is needed. Please email MUT@comed.com if you haven't received a response from ComEd within 3 business days.